Pad Go 2. OnePlus reveals full global pricing, deals and availability for new 120Hz tablet. OnePlus has now revealed the price of the Pad Go 2 and when it will begin shipping. Equipped with a 120Hz display and a 10,050 mAh battery, the OnePlus Pad Go 2 can also be picked up with free Watch 2R or buds for accessories in some markets too. Earlier today, OnePlus launched the Pad Go 2 as its latest attempt to corner a slice of the Android tablet market. As we have covered in our first impressions article, the Pad Go 2 combines a Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset with a 12.1-inch and 120Hz display. Now, OnePlus has clarified launch pricing, deals and availability too. The Pad Go 2 starts at £269 in the UK and €299 in the Eurozone, with 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage and Wi-Fi only connectivity. Alternatively, OnePlus offers its new tablet with 256 GB of storage, but only with 5G connectivity. As a result, this variant retails for £349, €399, but will rise to £399, €449 after OnePlus £50, €50 launch coupon expires. For reference, both memory options can be configured with lavender, drift, or shadow black color options. Also, the company is offering complimentary Watch 2R or buds for free gifts while stocks last. Meanwhile, the Pad Go 2 can only be configured with 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage and Wi-Fi connectivity in the US for $399.99 with stylus or folio case gifts to choose from. For some reason, India has received the Pad Lite with the greatest amount of SKUs. Currently, OnePlus estimates that it will begin shipping pre-orders on December 20th in India, but on December 30th in the UK, January 1st in the US, and January 6th in the Eurozone. Please see the company's website and our first impressions article for more details.